Hi, my name is Khurram Murtaza, and I've been working as senior auditor, and I'm on my way to become a Linux system administrator. Right. So my name is Khurram Murtaza, and I've been doing a couple of different things in different roles. So basically, I've been senior auditor with the federal government, but not here back in my country. I recently moved to US, and I would say as soon as I came, Corona came as well. That was in 2020. Things become really, awkward. Offices got closed, and it was difficult to get a decent job. So I worked some odd jobs. Right now, I'm working with the revenue department as a controller of Maryland office with the tax department, which is actually good. With the arrival of COVID, all of the jobs, most of the jobs, especially in IT, they turned to like work from home. And this was something which excited me, working from home, giving all that Corona and all that stuff. It felt safe. It felt exciting, working from wherever you want to work, wherever you want to be. This was the main motivation behind getting into the IT. And I was looking into different courses and different institutions offering different courses. So once I started my research, I learned that there are like, if not more, maybe hundreds of fields in IT itself. So before that, since I do not have like much of the technical IT background, but I did learn IT as a subject in my graduation. But then again, I wanted to be into the field, specialize something where I can actually, work from home and transition myself from my from auditing to the IT world. So I came across Auditor, and I read the reviews, and I made the decision to take admission in Linux for job course. I have completed it, and I have learned a lot of things within the course. And I'm very positive that after taking my certification, which is recognized by the employers throughout the world, would give me an edge to get into the IT as a Linux system administrator. So yes, that's what I'm working on. So there were different courses, and given that I do not have a technical background in IT, I wanted to start somewhere where it is not like at the lowest level, but I did not want to jump into something like which I might regret getting into, like software engineering or maybe cybersecurity or stuff like that, which would be, advanced for a user who do not have established technical skills in IT. So this program, Linux for Jobs and Learning Linux, this was something which clicked me, like, becoming a system administrator. You can make this as a starting point of your IT career. This made sense to me, and this is the reason I enrolled myself into the Linux for Job program and not into the AWS. Coming from like senior auditor and transitioning into IT, it's definitely a huge jump and totally different things apart. But if I put my experience into that, transitioning into IT, what basically auditors do is they ensure that everything is working correctly. And as soon as I get into the IT, I'm doing this course as well. The basic purpose of most of the jobs in IT is to ensure, or any job for that matter, that everything is working as it is supposed to be. So I believe that whatever I have learned, my skills over the period of time, I can utilize them into the IT as well. I think most of the people feel the same way. Like whatever job you do, there comes a point when you say like it becomes so monotonous that you actually do not like it and start hating it. But the thing is that if you are stuck in a job and you want to move forward, there are many things which could, actually hinder or stop you doing that, especially when you have a family, when you have responsibilities, or you have any other life event happening on. But the thing is, if you look into the bigger picture and an institution or a course in which you can actually be confident that if you put your resources, your time and money, you can actually do better than what you're actually doing right now. This is something most of the people are looking for. and I'm thankful that I somehow found Yellowtail. But I think the one thing is that to make up your mind that you can do better than whatever you are doing right now. Then you will look for the ways how you can improve it, whatever field that may be.